From day one, OnePlus has believed in the power of communities. We believe in empowering our users worldwide with a never-settle spirit, driven to always do better and achieve more. We began our biggest user-driven project, The Power of Community, with the ambitious goal of bringing the concept of co-creation to life. To break through more boundaries, we made a trail on AR technologies. We wanted to kick off a product based on the user experience from 0 to 1. Even though this time was just a prototype design challenge, we found the co-creation journey can be more exciting than usual. From ideas into words, sketches, photo series, short videos, 3D renderings, or even handcraft prototypes. In less than 2 weeks, this journey not only attracted members of the OnePlus community, but many enthusiasts from the AR/MR XR scene. After 2 rounds of pre-selection and nomination, 5 drafts were shortlisted for an open vote in the community as well as on our homepage. Community user @ConceptCentral's iconic design draft stood out in the contest. OnePlus Industrial Design team decided to work on this draft further with the user. After several rounds of co-creation meetings, some more details were discussed, and professional CMF advice was introduced to this draft. The project team used a 3D printing test to consult experts on AR technologies and industrial designers who worked on previous AR glass products. After several rounds of feedback, final adjustments were made. After almost 3 months of extensive participation of community users and in-depth communication with top nominees, this co-creation ended with an AMA event with many more interesting questions and discussions. This was our first attempt to start our co-creation in new technologies. For more exciting projects in the future, please stay tuned for more in 2023. To know more, visit OnePlus Community.